is the December BirchBox. The edit is called Spread the Joy. So let's have a little gander in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is the December BirchBox. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join the family. I would love to have you. Hit the notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope you do, remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I don't know if you know, but I have a future giveaway. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I've got 3 amazing prizes to give away. I'm going to link a video just at the top here. Give that video a click and it's just going to show you what them 3 prizes are. They're very good. The main prize being the 2021 glossy advent calendar. Who doesn't want to win that? So yeah, if you are not already subscribed, you know what to do. And please share it with your family and friends. Hopefully they'll like the content I create and they want to subscribe. Right, so we haven't got a box today inside the box. We haven't got a box in the box. Right, let's start off with this. So this is the edit card. It just has all the information on the products that are in here, which we will refer to throughout the video. And yeah, there is a little sneak peek for you. So let's get everything out of here. Right, so going back to the edit card, it just says here, the December edit is called Spread the Joy. There is a little note in here, so let's just quickly read that. It just says, hello BirchBoxers, our favourite time of year is here and we can't contain our excitement. This year, make up for lost time. Spread the joy this festive season, however you choose to celebrate. Right, so starting off with the first product, although technically it's not a product that's on the edit card. There is a picture of it on the edit card, but this is like a free item in your box. So it's not a box, it's a makeup bag. So you just lay it on the table. You put your makeup products inside and then you draw the string. And this has a hard bottom too, which I think is cool. Tighten that. And then that's what that looks like. Obviously it'll have your makeup products inside. I really like the idea of these. I've been meaning to get one of these for a little while now and I just keep forgetting, but I don't have to now because I've got one. So if you are interested in purchasing BirchBox for yourself, it's £12.95 per month. That includes postage. You normally get 5 products in your box or bag. They've come in many forms. We've had tins, we've had bags, we've had all sorts. And yeah, if you get a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, I've got a link for you. So I'll pop that link in the information box and in the comment box. Give that a click. And like I say, if it's a 3, 6 or a 12-month, you save 30% off the cost, which is a great saving. Right, and just to pop in here, I have the little spoiler for January. Here it is. So this just says, as the year ends, we all start to think about new resolutions for 2022. And what's ours? To keep surprising you every month during the new year. And also, so you don't have to wait to see what's coming in January, here's a little spoiler of what's coming next month. So I'm presuming that picture it's showing you, it must be the bag. But yeah, spoiler. Right, so let's get to it. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Dr. Lip, and it is a sweet potato tint. Superfood. Is that the name of the shade? Superfood? I think it is. I don't know. Yeah, so it just says this multi-purpose balm is 100% natural with ingredients such as lanolin oil to moisturise, natural plant pigment, rich in antioxidants and elderberry preservative to protect the skin, superfood sweet potato which gives the balm a gorgeous pink shade to add to the colour of your lips, cheeks or eyes. Okay, so yeah, if the packaging's anything to go by, is it going to be that pink? Let's try it on the lips and see. Okay, so the pink colour, it's a very slight tint. I think I was thinking of like a stain or something. Maybe I've got my wires crossed. But that's what it looks like on. So yes, a very slight tint, not massively in your face, so which I really like. It's got a nice shine to it and it's not sticky. Right, so the next product is this teeny tiny little thing. So this is by the brand modelco, and it's More Brows Fibre Gel Light Medium. The RRP for this, I'm presuming if it was for a full size, would be £13. That's not a full size, is it? It's got 2 mils in there. That can't be a full size. It just says, imagine having fabulously full, defined Cara Delevingne-esque brows. Well, here are your very own supermodel brows in a bottle. Okay. This brush on fibre brow gel is sheer genius. Not only is it darkened and defined the arches, it also creates the appearance of fuller, bolder brows just in a few swipes. I've got quite full eyebrows as it is, so I don't think I need fibres. Oh my god, that's so cute. Look how tiny that is. Okay, so the shade, yes, it definitely is light to medium. I think I can get away with that with all the greys in my hair. But yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll give it a try. I've actually started using like brow gels and stuff. I normally just use a brown black mascara, if I'm honest. But yeah, I am branching out into brow products, so yeah. I mean, it's okay, but it's... the size of it isn't great. Right, so product number 3 is this. So this is by the brand Philip Kingsley, and it's Elastostyler 5-in-1 treatment. The full size product, which this is not, is worth £35. You get 40 mils in here. It just says, heard of Philip Kingsley famous elasticizer treatment? This elasticizer leave-in conditioning serum based on the award-winning treatment strengthens, conditions, primes, tames and adds shine to the hair to optimise your styling. Clear your shelf because this multitasking 5-in-1 treatment does it all. So I think I have received 1 or 2 of these recently actually, and I don't think I've tried them yet. I know I want to buy the elasticizer actual treatment for my hair, because like a mask, because I want to do a video on it. Fourth item in the box is this. So this is by the brand Palmer's, and it's cocoa butter formula body lotion. The RRP for this is £4.29. I'm presuming again that's for a full size. This has got 50 ml in, so I don't think that's a full size. It just says skin feeling extra dry as we move into the colder months. This body lotion will save the day. Enriched with cacao butter and vitamin E, it delivers luscious, unapparelled hydration, leaving your skin silky, smooth, soft and nourished. Lock in your skin's natural moisture by massaging straight in after a shower. So I love Palmer's. I think it's a really good, affordable brand. But I thought maybe BirchBox could do a bit better than Palmer's. I don't know. But I do like this product. I've had it before. It's lovely. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. Just pop some on there. I mean, this smell is absolutely gorgeous. It really, really is. It actually smells edible. So the 5th and final product, or you could say 6th because the makeup bag could be classed as 1. But yeah, the 5th and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand This Works, and it's a deep sleep spray. So for a full size, which this is not, it would be £19.50. It just says this calming spritz is infused with a cocktail of 100% pure essential oils, including lavender, chamomile, vetiver and patchouli. It's clinically proven to help you sleep quicker than usual and wake up feeling refreshed. Spritz a fine mist over your pillow and breathe in deeply. You'll soon be in the land of Nod. So again, I've had this before. It's lovely. It doesn't particularly make me very sleepy, but it's very nice to smell while I'm lying there with my insomnia. But yeah, I don't know. I think I'm kind of over getting these sprays now in the beauty boxes. Is it just me? Right guys, so this is the BirchBox December box, Spread the Joy edition. What do you think? Right, so personally I'm torn. I really am torn. If it wasn't for the fact that we didn't get a box this month and we got the makeup bag has saved this box. I think it really, really has. I'm really happy we've got the Philip Kingsley product in there. That is absolutely brilliant. The balm is very nice. It feels gorgeous on the lips, so that's nice. The brow product is tiny, like it's absolute minuscule. It's gonna last minuscule. It's gonna last like 2 seconds, so that's a bit yeah. The pillow spray, I'm sick of getting pillow sprays in my boxes now, especially when it's that small. And this, as I said, don't get me wrong, I love Parmas, and this smells absolutely gorgeous. Whenever boxes struggle with what to put in their boxes, they always seem to fall to Parmas and just whack something of a Parmas brand in there. I don't know. But yeah, the Philip Kingsley, the balm and the makeup bag has saved this box, most definitely. It's just a little bit upsetting that the brow stuff and the pillow spray is really teeny tiny. Yeah, especially this is the Christmas box. You would have thought they would have went all out and spout were rotten or something. I don't know. Am I asking too much? Probably am. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Comment down below and tell me what you got in your box. Was anything different in yours, or did you get the same as me? But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.